about 6:30 in the morning. I'm walking to the beach. I'm in Portland. This is beautiful. I know I like stuff like this. I think we're at Frenchman's Cove. It's a lot of trees. And as you go along the route and you're walking, there's a lot of trees. They have the information of the trees. Let's see, it says with all the facts, where it come from, if it's native, what's the purpose of it, things like that. So I saw a mango, I saw a pimento tree. I saw one called the Queen's Reef. The leaves literally felt like sandpaper for real. They call it sand something. I'm not gonna remember that. But yeah, so I'm walking to the beach. If you guys listen carefully, you can hear the waves in the background. The beach is somewhere down there. So yeah, 6 a.m. It's nice outside. So let me take a walk. Nothing too crazy. My outfit. Yeah. So I woke up this morning and I was saying for the past couple of weeks, I've been feeling grateful. Don't mind my face, I ate lobster. I'm never gonna stop doing that. Even though I'm allergic at this point. So I woke up with a message. I listen to these messages the same way as I do for myself. And sometimes I guess it's just meant for me to talk about it in general, because we never know who's listening. So yeah, I've been waking up with a message of gratefulness for the past couple of weeks. Like, I've been very grateful, very appreciated. Because a lot of times we try stuff in life, and you got some people that are triers more than others. You got some people that will stick to routine. They stick to the belief of, all right, they probably get up every day, go to work, do the same thing over and over again. Versus there's other people out here that are trying businesses and they're failing, but they don't stop. They keep doing it over and over again. And from the outside looking in, some of us will even look and be like, why is this person, why is this person doing this so much? You understand? Why is this person feel so important to keep on trying? Why don't they just do something like everybody else? But in their head, they have this belief. You have this passion where you know that you want to change, or you believe in what you want to do, or you want it to be different, or you understand your vision. And most people will never understand your vision. Most of the time when we see people successful, it's after like 10 years or so, sometime even 15, sometime even 20 years. And it took them a long time to get there. It took them a lot of failures. It took a lot, but no one usually pays any recognition to that. They only look at the part where you succeed, I should say. Bro, do y'all see those waves? Yeah, so I'm gonna just sit this one out. I thought I was going in the water. Shout out to Tia McPherson. I need y'all to follow her on YouTube.